Let's go through departure list now. This list is also located under reservation menu on the right. From this list, I can see all the guests who checked out from my hotel. In the realized departures, checked out guests are shown. VIP guests are shown under the in-house VIP tab. If one room is checked out by mistake, this can be corrected from the action menu by clicking on Checkout Cancel button. When I say OK, we can see again from the in-house list that the room number 302 is again in this list. If the invoice was not issued for the guests who already checked out, this can also be easily done from departures list. As you can see, by simply clicking on a couple of buttons, we will have invoice successfully created. Issued invoices for the guests can be quickly checked from the action menu as well. If necessary, we can make some extra changes. Documents can be added to the departures guests record. For this record, we already have one document, but let's add another one. Finally, from this list, we can also have a quick look at the guests' folio transactions from here.